Welcome to DIY EasyCrafts.com, how to make your own camera tray for a GoPro camera. Our design is kind of unique. We're using a quick disconnect tripod mount, and we've also placed the camera slightly forward from both upright handles. This eliminates your hands from getting into the wide-angle view from the GoPro. We're going to start the project with some 1/2-inch PVC pipe, which we're going to use for the upright handles, as well as some 1/2-inch thick PVC or plastic. I had some scrap around, but this is available at Home Depot. And situated in the middle is the tripod mount, which is available from GoPro. I'm just going to use a jigsaw to cut out the basic shape of the camera tray. Once the shape is cut out, I'm going to use a 7/8 speed drill or speed bore to drill 2 holes, one on either side of the tray. And we're going to slide the 1/2-inch PVC handles through these holes. We're actually going to clamp them into position with a cap on the bottom, and then we're just going to cut up a coupling and use a small sleeve from the coupling to wedge that camera tray between the PVC 1/2-inch. I'm also going to drill 2 holes for the 1024 screws that will mount to the camera bracket. This is the coupling, and I'm just cutting 2 small slivers off of that coupling, and that will slide onto the 1/2-inch PVC and clamp our camera tray firmly to the handles. Of course, we're going to glue all of the pieces together as per the glue manufacturer's instructions. I'm going to prime it first and then glue. Once the assembly is completely glued and dried, we can use some sandpaper to just clean up whatever sharp edges are on the plastic and just smooth everything out. I found one of the simplest ways to color PVC and plastic is just to use a Sharpie marker. I'm going to use some foam hand grips, which I purchased down at the local bike shop, for each handle, and these came with their own caps, which are just hammered into place. Now the camera bracket itself from GoPro, I'm actually going to glue that on with a little aqua seal, and that's a marine or a scuba diving type of glue, underwater resistant glue. I'm also going to apply some aqua seal onto the threads of each bolt. I want to do this so that I'm making that lower portion of the bracket permanent. I don't ever want it to come off when unplanned or even when planned. And the camera just snaps into place. When I want to remove it, it's a very, very quick and easy, quick disconnect. And that's the finished product. The camera is, like I said before, pushed slightly forward. You've got foam hand grips, a quick disconnect bracket on a very lightweight PVC tray. Please check us out on the web at DIYEasyCrafts.com. Be sure to check out our other how-to videos, and please subscribe to this YouTube channel.